Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious honey nougat. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, ensuring everything is measured and ready. A reliable candy thermometer is crucial for success, so have it handy. Prepare your baking pan by lining it with parchment paper and lightly oiling it. Also, make sure any nuts you plan to use are toasted and cooled. Now, let's create the honey syrup. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your honey, sugar, and a small amount of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until the sugar fully dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it cook until it reaches exactly 280 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. This precise temperature is key for the nougat's texture. While your syrup is heating, whip your egg whites in a very clean stand mixer bowl until they form stiff, glossy peaks. Once the honey syrup reaches 280 degrees Fahrenheit, slowly and carefully pour it in a thin stream into the whipping egg whites. Continue mixing on medium speed until the mixture is very thick, glossy, and has cooled significantly. Finally, fold in your toasted nuts and any other flavorings. Quickly transfer the warm, sticky nougat into your prepared pan. Use an oiled offset spatula or your hands to press it firmly and evenly into the pan, smoothing the top surface. Now comes the hardest part, patience. Let the nougat cool completely at room temperature for several hours or even overnight. Once firm, use a sharp, oiled knife to cut it into your desired pieces. Enjoy your homemade honey nougat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.